In the heart of downtown Washington, D.C., a stunning transformation has taken place, breathing new life into a 5,200 square foot home with a 720 square foot deck. Led by a dedicated team of designers and architects, the project aimed to modernize the property while preserving its unique charm and maximizing its picturesque surroundings. The renovation project began with a comprehensive assessment of the home's existing features and layout. A strategic design plan was formulated, focusing on updating the architecture and finishes throughout the property. This included the installation of new flooring, a fresh coat of exterior paint, and the introduction of custom millwork and hardware, among other enhancements. One of the most remarkable aspects of the renovation was the transformation of the previously unfinished basement. What was once an underutilized area has now become one of the owner's favorite spaces in the house. Complete with a kitchenette, family room, game room, gym, storage area, guest bedroom, and 1.5 bathrooms, the basement now offers versatility and functionality for the entire household to enjoy. Despite facing challenges along the way, including the departure of the original architect, the project team rose to the occasion. Taking on additional responsibilities, they expanded their scope of work to include interior architecture, design, furniture, decor, and art. This expansion more than doubled their workload but was completed in record time, ensuring that the project stayed on track. One of the project's primary goals was to preserve and enhance the home's connection to its natural surroundings. Situated on the edge of Rock Creek Park, the property boasts stunning views of the lush greenery that surrounds it. To complement these views, the design team opted for a color palette inspired by nature, with shades of dark greens, browns, tans, grays, and whites prevalent throughout the interior. To add a touch of sophistication and elegance to the home, the design team incorporated luxurious materials such as walnut and black-stained oak into the millwork. These rich, dark tones paired beautifully with the natural elements of the surroundings, creating an elevated and masculine aesthetic that complements the home's architecture. In conclusion, the renovation project has successfully revitalized this Washington, D.C. home, blending modern design elements with the timeless beauty of its natural surroundings. Through strategic planning, innovative design solutions, and a steadfast commitment to quality, the project team has created a space that is as functional as it is beautiful, ensuring that it will be enjoyed for years to come.